Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Venidice 10 inches LED ring light for camera and phone and desktop PCs and selfie, and it's a light bringer. It is dimmable for iPhone, Android phones, streaming, makeup, photography, vlogging, etc, etc, etc. It has a universal compatibility. The VDRL10 ring light is designed for live streaming, Twitch streaming, makeup, beauty streaming, video recording, blogging, vlogging, or video recording itself. Optimized light effect. We have 3 color modes and 10 dim-able brightness levels. And its compatibility is awesome because you can dock every device on it, like an iPhone 10, like an iPhone 12, like an iPhone 11, like a Samsung Galaxy devices, etc. But it has to be in the shape of a smartphone, not a tablet size, okay? Because there is a clamp system in it, and this is only band able app for an iPhone, for example, or Samsung iOS and Android smartphones, and so on. The connectivity, as you can see, is USB port supports connection with PC, personal computer, power bank, and USB charger. The USB charger is like your AC adapter from your smartphone itself, and you are able to dock it with that LED ring here. Oh, plug and play. The USB port supports connection with personal computers, power bank, USB charger. We no need any battery anymore. It's easy to go for beginners. And it has an adjustable brightness level, 3 color modes and 10 dim-able brightness levels, from white light to warm light. Meet our needs for photography and videography. And it has a universal compatibility. The DRL 10 inches ring light is designed for live streaming, Twitch streaming, etc. And it will shine like a diamond if you are in front of it. The model number is VDRL10. It has a 10 inches diameter. The number of light bulbs in it, but it's not the standard bulbs, it is LED, light emitted diode, and there are 120 light emitted diodes, LEDs. The light color is called neutral or warm. The color temperature you can adjust between 3200 Kelvin up to 5600 Kelvin. And the brightness level is 10 brightness level. You can choose from 0 up to 100%. The power supply is USB. The voltage is 3.7 up to 5 volt. And if you buy that ring fill light, it fill light and beautifies. It make face and eye in a beauty. Night core extreme, multiple color temperature, and sexy eyes effect. You will get one 10 inches LED ring light, one mini ball head, one phone holder, an 8001 table tripod. This is awesome to get this LED on a stand, on a surface stand, table tripod, and you have an ESD01 expansion rod and a Bluetooth remote control. So you can control your smartphone or your other Bluetooth-able device remotely. Awesome. And an PHD01 phone holder. Oh, and this is all what you get to get the first steps in video shooting. You need light on your spot, and this Venidice LED ring will give you that. The expansion stick you can almost use as selfie stick without the LED light, or you can use it with the LED light to gain up to 1 meter high. The Bluetooth controlled remote you can use for remote control, and the tripod stand you can use for the expansion stick and for the LED light. So you can combine by your you can make combinations out of it with the LED light, without the LED light. So you can use it as you like, indoor, outdoor, etc. But it's not waterproof. The LED light is not waterproof. The expansion stick, no problem. The tripod, no problem. Then we have a phone holder. If you are going to place the LED light in front of you, then you can dock there a smartphone. This smartphone can have a video with you in front of it, and you can dock the phone holder, the second phone holder, onto the expansion stick. For example, so you can read text out of the phone holder smartphone, and you can look into your smartphone, which is assembled on the LED light. The mini ball head will makes it rotateable 360 degrees. The LED light is with the ball head rotateable, and of course the phone holder is rotateable. So you can buy and you can build like you have this right setup. 3 color temperature, 10 brightness level. That means you can choose the white. Then you can go from 0 to 100%. Then you can choose a second mode. This is yellow light. Then you can go from 0 to 10. And you can use warm yellow. This different white, yellow, and warm yellow setup will give you so much possibilities to get the right shining on your face. And the wireless Bluetooth controller. The Bluetooth controller is powered by a CR2032 button battery. This you can dock or pair immediately and easy with your phone. You have a built-in remote with a brightness level plus button, a power on off button, and brightness minus button, and a mode adjustment. The mode adjustment will switch between the colors. The colors are white, yellow, and warm yellow, and the brightness plus and brightness minus button will choose the brightness level. It is USB charged and rotateable because of the ball head. Easy, really easy. The dimensions are overall is 33.2 inches. The extension rod is 22.04 inches. The LED light itself, the O-ring, the OLED light is 11.82 inches, and the tripod is 7.87 inches to 4.33 inches. And the clamp you can use to clamp or to mount a smartphone is from 2.75 inches up to 3.93 inches. So in this range, you can dock a smartphone on it. The extension stick is, if you are going to the highest level, 22.04 inches, and the smallest way is 7.48 inches. Then the tripod, you can choose the tripod as handle too, of course. Then the tripod is 5.9 inches. So that it is. It's really easy to make videos if you are performing some makeup, make yoga, beauty channel, YouTube for example, or if you like cooking, you can bring your meal in a really nice shine by using the Venidice 10 inches LED ring light for cameras and phones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.